Hey guys, take a look at this rain, man. It's so pouring down. It's gonna be summertime again soon. I'm just saying, I hadn't made a video in a week, but I need to start making now. I need to try, I might end up getting a new camera. I told you on that other video. I'm gonna end up buying one day. See how this rain pouring down? See, that's pouring off the roof a lot. Got some thunder, but I say it was pouring down a while ago. Summertime, I end up getting back into this stuff again because it's gonna rain when it's hot, and plus, tornadoes can occur. Watches, warnings possible. Most likely we get watches, but yeah, such right. I'm just showing y'all here. It's wet out there. I'm just showing y'all. Oh, fingers in the camera. Oops. I just wanted to come and make a video, quick video, but I'm gonna come and making another one tonight. Hopefully I do. Keep in mind of it.